Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our biology class. We can continue the remaining portions. Heartbeat. The wall of the chamber of the heart contracts and relaxes in a rhythmic manner. The closure of airway valves and semilunar valves produces sound, and this sound is called heartbeat. Place your hand on the left side of your chest, you will feel your heartbeat. A doctor listens to your heartbeat with the help of an instrument called stethoscope. A stethoscope amplifies the sound of the heartbeat. It consists of a chest piece that has a diaphragm, two earpieces, and a rubber tube. A doctor diagnoses the condition of our heart by listening to the heartbeat. Each heartbeat generates one pulse, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of the heartbeat. The heart circulates blood through which various substances are transported through our body, and this is due to the maintenance of heart rhythmic beating. Next, about blood pressure. The force exerted by the blood on the wall of the blood vessel is called the blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument called as sphygmomanometer. This pressure is greater in arteries than the veins. So here you can see arteries and veins. The pressure in the artery during ventricular contraction is called systolic pressure. And the pressure in the artery during ventricular relaxation is called diastolic pressure. So systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. The normal systolic pressure is 120 mm of mercury and diastolic pressure is 80 mm of mercury. High blood pressure is also called hypertension. Next, about low blood pressure, which means hypotension. Here blood pressure is below normal. A blood pressure reading lower than 90 mm of mercury for the top number and 60 mm mercury for the bottom number is generally considered as low blood pressure. Having low blood pressure is good in most cases, but low blood pressure can sometimes make a person feel tired or dizzy. Next, about antigens and antibodies. So first is antigens. Antigens are the proteins present on the surface of RBC, that means red blood cells. They stimulate the production of antibodies in the blood. അപ്പോൾ ആൻറ്റിജൻ നമ്മുടെ RBCയിലുള്ളൊരു പ്രോട്ടീനാണ്. ഈ ആൻറ്റിജനാണ് എന്ത് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മളെ സ്റ്റിമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, നമ്മുടെ ബ്ലഡിനെ സ്റ്റിമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ആൻറ്റിബോഡീസ്. Next, about antibodies. They are proteins that are produced in response to the foreign substance that enters the body. They are present in the plasma of the blood. They react with foreign substance and make them ineffective. So, നമ്മുടെ ആൻറ്റിബോഡീസ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് ആൻറ്റിജൻ ആണല്ലേ. ആൻഡ് ദീസ് ആൻറ്റിബോഡീസ് ആർ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ റെസ്പോൺസ് ടു ഫോറിൻ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ദാറ്റ് എൻറ്റേഴ്സ് ദ ബോഡി. And they are present in the plasma of the blood. So when the foreign particles enters into the body, what happens? These antibodies react with this foreign substance and make them ineffective. Next, about blood groups. Human blood contains certain specific substance called antigen and antibodies. The antigen are present in the RBC and antibodies are present in the blood plasma. Then here you can see antigens. Our blood consists of two types of antigen, antigen A and antigen B, antibody A and antibody B. On the basis of antigen and antibodies, human blood can be classified into four: A, B, AB and O. The following table will help you to understand who can receive blood from whom. Blood group AB contain antigen A and B. There are no antibodies and can give blood to AB, can receive blood from AB, A, B and O. Next, blood group A, antigen A it contain antibodies B, then can give blood to A and AB, can receive blood from A and O. Next, B, blood group B, antigen B, antibody A, can give blood to B and AB, can receive blood from B and O. Next, blood group O, antigen, there is no antigen, antibodies A and B, can give blood to AB, A, B and O, can receive blood from O, blood group O. Then blood group O is known as universal donor because it can give blood to A, B, AB and O. So blood group O is known as universal donor. Then AB can receive blood from all the blood groups A, B, AB and O. So blood group AB is known as universal recipient. Next, about blood transfusion. Transfusion is a life-saving process needed in a case of extensive loss of blood. Every human has his or her own blood type. Karl Landsteiner discovered the 4 types of blood groups and a method for transfusing blood from one person to another. This grouping was done based on the presence of antigens and antibodies. The antigens and antibodies are of 2 kinds, which are they? A and B antigen, as well as we have 2 antibodies, which are they? A and B antibodies. The healthy person who gives blood is called the donor. The person who receives the blood is called the recipient. Next, donating blood is one of the noblest things you can do. Donating blood is healthy for your body as it is for your mind. Here are 5 surprising benefits that comes with donation of blood. First one, reduces risk of heart diseases. Blood donation reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Increased level of iron in the blood raises the chance of heart diseases. Regular blood donation helps in reducing iron overload in the body. This can reduce the chance of heart attack by 88%. Second one, free medical checkup. Apart from all these benefits, a donor gets a mini blood test done before donating blood. Your temperature will be checked along with your blood pressure, pulse and hemoglobin. Upon donation, donors are tested for syphilis, HIV, hepatitis and malaria. Donor is immediately informed if any of these tests found to be positive. Third one, helps prevent cancer. The increased amount of iron has resulted in cancer. By donating blood, the iron stores in the body are maintained at healthy levels. A reduction in the iron level in the body is linked with low cancer risk. Fourth one, formation of new blood cells. After blood donation, the body will work to restore the loss of blood. This will help to trigger the formation of new blood cell, which will help to maintain good health. Fifth one, saves lives. By donating blood, many lives are saved and hope is given to many whose situation may otherwise be hopeless. Blood donors give such patients a second chance of life. Ways to keep the heart healthy. First one, do regular exercises. Regular walking, jogging and cycling help to keep the body healthy. Second one, play outdoor games. It is a good form of exercise. Third one, do not eat oily and fried food. Avoid junk foods. Do not eat too many sweets. Excessive fats and sugar increases weight. Fourth one, include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Eat fiber-rich foods like whole grain, cereals and oats. Fifth one, reduce the intake of salt. So these are the ways to keep the heart healthy. So children, study all these. I hope that all of you have understood and liked my class. Stay home. Take care. Bye.